Hello everyone, this is Mina Malika, licensed realtor as well as a loan officer. Welcome to our new listing at 487 North Gannon Avenue, Staten Island, New York, 10314. This is a legal two-family house with a bonus ground floor apartment. This is a great opportunity for first-time homebuyers and investors alike. Owners can occupy the ground floor while collecting rent from other two apartments, which can cover the entire mortgage. And the opportunity here, this two-family house is listed for less than $800,000. This is a great opportunity. Let's come and check it out.